awak. Awak yang tu lah. Jangan lupa subscribe channel kita. Tanda sokongan. Terima kasih.
Alright, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So let's continue set 1 part 2. So kita akan sambung dengan soalan yang ke-11. So apa tunggu lagi, jom kita mula baca soalan. Okay, so here we have a skier of mass 65 kg is sliding down at the distance of 45 meter on a 35-degree slope. Okay, so we need to assume that the surface is frictionless. And then the skier is moving at constant speed, 2 meters per second. What is the power required to perform this task? So I think this is very simple. So let's say we have, this is the platform. Okay, at angle of 35 degree. So let's say you have a skier here. Alright, and then it will move in this direction, where V is equal to 2 meters per second. Sorry. And then let's draw that the direction of the wake is downward. Okay. So apa yang menyebabkan skier ni boleh bergerak ke bawah? Dan tentunya berat dia lah. Okay. Dia boleh sliding down ke bawah lah sebab this is frictionless surface. So we resolve WY and WX. WX saya tu kena lukis lurus sikit je macam ni. Okay, so this is the angle. Here is the angle 35 degree. So sekarang the only force yang menyebabkan skier ini bergerak ke bawah, sliding down, adalah WX lah. So bila kita nak kira power, so saya dah ada V, saya terus saja guna formula FV. Okay, FV cos 0. Kenapa 0? Because the direction of the force kita kat sini adalah the only force yang menyebabkan dia bergerak adalah WX. Okay, so cos 0 is 1. Okay, boleh? So kita just substitute sajalah. WX kita adalah apa dia tadi? mg sin, bukan cos. Okay, mg cos theta adalah ini WY sebab duduk di sebelah angle. Okay, tapi WX adalah mg. Okay, mg sin 35 times the V is 2. Okay, so boleh teruslah kira, where M is the mass, so 9.81. Okay, sin 35 times 2. So you akan dapat jawapan 731.5. Okay, saya dapat 731.5. Okay, so dapatlah jawapan iaitu C. Alright, next question number 12. So here we have 4 kg mass is moving in a circular path. So this is from chapter 6. So the radius is given. So let's take out all the information. So I have M 4 kg. And then I have the radius 4.1. Okay. And it's moving with the constant angular velocity omega, which is 5. And then soalan suruh kita kira centripetal force FC. Guna saja formula lah. FC is equal to MAC. Ataupun kalau kita tak ada centripetal acceleration, kita boleh substitute saja. FC is equal to MV squared. Ataupun A is equal to R omega squared kan. Masukkan sajalah kalau dah tahu. A is equal to R omega squared. Kalau saya gantikan teruslah. Nak guna MV squared over R pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Okay. So saya guna terus MAC. So AC saya dah tahu dia adalah AC adalah R omega squared. Okay. So masukkan saja. So M is 4, R is 4.1, omega is 5. Square jangan tertinggal. Boleh. So the answer should be equal to FC is 410 Newton. Okay. So the answer is C. Okay. Alright, and then next we have a space orbiter, Triton 1, survey the surface of the planet Pluto and planet Jupiter. How many times greater is the escape speed of the planet Jupiter compared to that of planet Pluto? Okay, which is the smallest planet in the solar system. Okay. So kita nak, kat sini adalah soalan ratio. So before we start, okay, to solve this problem, so write the equation of escape velocity. So let's write the equation of escape velocity, okay, which is equal to square root 2gm, okay, which is the mass over the radius. So now since we know that we want to find the ratio, sebab dia nak tanya how many times greater, berapa kali besar, berapa kali okay, besar lah, okay, the escape speed of the planet Jupiter. So saya akan tulis V escape for Jupiter over V escape for Pluto. Okay, so dia akan jadi equation dia kena masukkan lah satu-satu. 2G mass of Jupiter over the radius of Jupiter over square root 2G mass of Pluto over the radius of Pluto. Okay, so kalau you nak buangkan square root tu, you take square for both side. So cancel lah. Okay, dalam masa yang sama 2G ni boleh cancel, constant. And then kita boleh tulis V escape untuk Jupiter over V escape for Pluto, kan ada square tadi kan, biarkan dulu kat situ. Okay, jangan lupa square ini. And then kita akan ada MJ mass of Jupiter over RJ, okay, bahagi, so bahagi dia akan jadi darab lah, bagi MP over RP, so dia akan jadi darab RP over MP, terbalikkan dia kan. Okay, so you masukkan semua nilai. Mass of Jupiter kita dah ada, mass of Pluto, the radius of Pluto, the radius of Jupiter, semua ini kita dah ada. Okay, so kalau saya tengok, saya kira, tekan kalkulator, awak check okay, awak dapat tak? Equal to 2379.32. Okay, and finally, in order to find, kita ada square dekat sini, jangan lupa take the square root. Okay, finally kita akan dapat V escape untuk Jupiter over V escape, okay, untuk Pluto is equal to 48.8. Okay, so kalau saya tulis semula, saya tahu V escape untuk Jupiter adalah 48.8 times larger than V escape for Pluto. Okay, boleh? So the answer is A. Okay, finish question number 13. And then let's proceed to the next question, 14. On the way to planet Mars, the space shuttle, yes, we have space shuttle here, pass a point where the gravitational pull of Mars is equal to the gravitational pull of the Earth. Okay, so gravitational pull of Mars referring to gravitational field strength, okay, due to planet Mars. Boleh. Okay, so kalau saya lukis, let's say lah saya ada Earth kat sini, ME, mass of the Earth, and then let's say here we have mass of Mars. So soalan bagi tahu kita, okay, dekat satu point. Calculate distance of this point. Okay. The space shuttle datangnya daripada Earth tadi. Dia akan pass satu point. Pass a point where the gravitational pull of Mars is equal. So let's say lah space shuttle tu akhirnya dekat sini. So this is the mass of the space shuttle. Okay. Where at this point, okay, the space shuttle will experience gravitational pull due to the Earth and gravitational pull due to the Mars. Boleh? And it's given that at that point, gravitational pull ataupun gravitational field strength due to the Earth is equal to gravitational pull due to the Mars. Boleh? Okay. Dan kita tahu jarak sini, kita tak tahu berapa, soalan suruh carilah. Calculate the distance of this point from the center of the Earth. Okay. So sebenarnya yang kita ukur tu daripada center of the Earth. So X. Dan jarak antara sini ke sini, kita tak tahu. Saya namakan dia R minus X. Di mana soalan bagi kita distance between Mars and Earth. So distance yang diberi itu mestilah daripada the center of the Earth to the center of the Mars. And this is given R. Okay. So ini kena tulis dulu. So based on the equation A equal to GM over R squared. Okay. So kita tahu, saya tulislah. Okay, gravitational pull due to the Earth. So here must be mass of the Earth. And R should be distance antara space shuttle tadi dengan Earth, iaitu X. Ini iaitu X. So saya akan letak X squared equal to G mass of the Mars. Okay, mass of the Mars, and then R minus X, distance between space shuttle and the Mars. Okay, R minus X squared. Okay, constant ni kita boleh cancel out. Okay, saya akan continue dekat tepi ni. So, ME. Okay, satu lagi perkara saya dah ingatkan. Ini awak jangan expand. R minus X ni, awak jangan pandai-pandai nak buka. R minus X, R minus X. Boleh, tak ada masalah. You akan dapat jawapan. Tapi jalannya akan jadi complicated. So, tak nak macam ni. Okay, kumpulkan yang ada squared in one side. So, saya akan jadi ME over MM equal to, ini saya buat ni atas, ini saya buat turun bawah. So, dia akan jadi X squared over R minus X squared. Okay. So, sekarang you nampak ada squared tu. So, saya nak take the square root for both side in order to cancel out squared. Okay. So, sekarang kita mulakan kita punya calculation. Mass of the Earth and mass of the Mars is given. So, you kira nanti you akan dapat 9.3146. Tapi jangan lupa take the square root. X over R minus X. Okay. So, we try to substitute here 3.052. Okay. Dia akan darab dengan R minus X equal to X. Okay. Ini bawa naik atas. Nak selesaikan. Therefore, 3.052R minus 3.052X equal to X. So, 3.052R is equal to 4.052X. Therefore, kiralah X, you akan dapat 1.72 times 10 power of 11. Okay, meter. Okay, so the answer is A. Boleh So, very simple. Okay. And next, question number 15. So, this question based on chapter 9. Okay, simple harmonic motion. So, we are given the expression for the spring that undergoes simple harmonic motion. X equal to 6 sine 2 pi t. So, general equation, X is equal to A sine omega t. So daripada equation yang kita ada, soalan bagi kita comparekan. Okay. So daripada sini saya nampak omega 2 pi, amplitude is 6. And then soalan minta kita calculate the period of the motion. Okay, which is T. Okay. Daripada omega sebenarnya kita boleh cari period. Okay. Where omega is equal to 2 pi over T. Okay. Therefore, T is equal to 2 pi over omega. Okay, omega kita dah tahu 2 pi. So, the answer for period is 1 second. Okay, so jawapan dia adalah B. Very simple. So, calculate the displacement when T is equal to 4 seconds. Okay, so we want to find X at T is equal to 4 seconds. Tengok cara saya tulis ya. 2 pi times 4 ada bracket. Okay, bila you tekan kalkulator, jangan you tekan sin 2 pi, baru you darab dengan 4. Salah. Okay, so dia akan jadi X equal to 6 sin 8 pi. Dan pastikan sin ini, you punya kalkulator you nak tekan, pastikan dalam radian mode. Okay, so you tekan kalkulator. Okay, so you akan dapat X is equal to 0. Okay, jawapan dia 0. Okay. And then calculate the velocity when X equal to 6 meter. Tadi kita nampak di mana kita punya amplitude is 6 meter. Kan, sekarang dia suruh kira pula. Berapa velocity, okay, when the object berada pada kedudukan at maximum amplitude. A dia adalah 6 meter. So, kalau kita masukkan dalam kita punya equation V in terms of X, iaitu omega square root A squared minus X squared. Ataupun kita tak kira pun boleh. Bila you faham konsep di mana at X equal to amplitude, when the value of X, okay, equal to plus minus A, automatically V dia akan kosong. Tak payah kira. Velocity akan kosong at maximum displacement. Velocity akan maximum at X equal to 0. Ingat At X equal to 0, dia terbaliklah. V adalah maximum. Okay. Iaitu V is equal to A omega. Boleh ke? Okay. Senang saja kan? Okay, so jawapan dia A lah tadi. Kosong. Okay, next question number 18. Calculate the acceleration when X equal to 6 meter. Okay, so this time you want to find acceleration. So, formula A, acceleration in terms of X is negative omega squared X. So, omega tadi kita dah tahu 2 pi. Okay, daripada equation, kita masukkan sajalah. Okay, kita terus dapat jawapan. Okay, so the direction is negative. So, make sure you pilih jawapan yang betul lah, iaitu D. And then, 19. Choose the correct expression for acceleration. So, we want to find the equation ataupun expression untuk A. Okay, kita diberi tadi, we are given X is equal to 6 sin 2 pi T. So, in order to get V, we need to differentiate equation X respect to T. So, kita akan dapat, okay, differentiate sin akan dapat cos. Ingat ini ingat lagi saya dah pernah ajar sebelum ni. Differentiate dulu semua ini. Ini adalah constant sin. Saya tulis satu-satu Siapa tak pandai differentiate lagi mesti practice. So sekarang differentiate sin, you need to differentiate the whole thing. Sin akan jadi cos, and then you need to differentiate again yang kat dalam ni. D dt 2 pi t. So, you akan dapat V awak 6. Sin akan jadi cos 2 pi t. darab differentiate d dt 2 pi t akan dapat 2 pi. So V you akan dapat 12 pi cos 2 pi t. Tapi soalan bukan nak expression V. So kita nak cari A. So now let's continue. So we need to differentiate V in order to get expression for acceleration. So dia akan jadi sama tadi 12 pi differentiate this the whole thing of cos. Differentiate cos akan dapat negative sign. Okay, so dia akan dapat 12 pi negative sign 2 pi t. Dan jangan lupa differentiate lagi sekali dalam ini. Darab 2 pi. So dia akan jadi negative 24 pi squared sin. Okay, sin 2 pi t. Okay, this is the answer. So the answer is B. Okay, and then the last question for this video. Alright, so kita buat sampai question 21 lah. Okay, sebab question 20 and 21 are based on the statement below. So here we have the progressive wave, okay, and it's travelling to the left. Bila travelling to the left, nanti dalam you punya equation mesti positif. Apa yang positif, jadi kita akan tengok. And the amplitude is given, so I will take out all the informations. So A is equal to 0.0, okay, A is equal to 0.04 meter. Frequency is 300 Hertz, and V is 236 meter per second. Based on the statement above, calculate the wavelength. So V is equal to F lambda, where lambda is equal to V over F. Okay, this is very straightforward. Alright, so dapat jawapan. Next, which of the following is the correct displacement equation of the wave as described above? So, the transverse wave is travelling to the left. So, bila to the left, kita mesti pilih jawapan yang positif. So, ini salah, A salah, C salah. Okay? So, antara B dengan D. So, now look at here, we have omega. The value of omega is different. Yang lain, K pun salah lah. K pun tak sama. So, now let's try to look at the equation. Okay, so we need to calculate omega is equal to 2 pi f. Sebab kita dah ada frekuensi, soalan dah bagi, kita kira je lah terus omega. Okay, and it is 600 pi. Okay, so 600 jawapan dia adalah yang paling tepat adalah D. Okay, so finish question 11 to 20. So in the last part, set 1 part 3, I will continue with question 22 until 30. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye-bye.